Louisiana boiled crabs versus Maryland steamed crabs. Let's go.
Ain't that so pretty? Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Everybody, here we go. We're gonna steam crabs today. Maryland style steamed crabs from up there around Chesapeake Bay. Chesapeake Bay, I mean, sorry, you know, I just get it all mixed up. But anyway, we're using Marty's recipe from up there around Chesapeake Bay. And he says put 1 gallon of water, 1 gallon of vinegar. Dump it in there. 1 gallon of water, 1 gallon of vinegar.
All right, now, y'all, we've been letting the crabs chill out on some ice. Now we're gonna start stacking them in the pot just like this, 1 layer at a time.
This is what he sent us. So we're gonna put a layer and then we're gonna coat it with this seasoning right here. I can't even say the name of it. And we're gonna coat them crabs with that layer of seasoning like that. Now this is Marty's recipe. This is straight from Chesapeake Bay up there now. So I don't want any of y'all to complain about this. Another load of this seasoning stuff they use up there. Like that. All right, we're gonna crank that fire back up.
All right, y'all, we in there with the little baby red potatoes.
4 pounds for the Bay High shake.
Woo! 10 onions cut in half and 6 pounds of that garlic.
Hey, 6 oranges cut in half. 10 lemons squeezed in. Hey, and you can either squeeze them in or just dump them in.
All right, y'all, let that come to a rolling ball. Time for them big old Louisiana #1s, y'all. Get up in that hot tub, y'all.
Ooh, it's been 10 minutes now. It's time to shut them down and let them soak for 25. Check that out, guys.
We'll hit it with that corn and them little brandy bees.
Got the fire shut off on these steamed crabs. Woo! Check that out right there, y'all. Man, pull them up in that loco. Hey, y'all, they look good, but I don't know if they're gonna be good as them Louisiana boiled crabs.
All the Maryland steamed crabs are done. Now it's time to raise up and drain them Louisiana boiled crabs.
Woo-wee. All right, y'all, here we go. We got Delaware steamed crabs.
No, Maryland.
Maryland steamed crabs, guys. They look good, but we're not for sure if they taste good.
We fixing to see.
Ooh, look at here. Time for them Louisiana boiled crabs to hit the table. We got Maryland steamed crabs, Louisiana boiled crabs. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do a little taste test right now. I'm gonna break it off right there. Ooh, pop it like that. All right, Pat, here's your half of the Maryland steamed crab.
That's your half of the boil.
My half of the boiled, Louisiana boiled crab. I'm gonna taste the Maryland steamed crab first.
Me too.
All right, Maryland steamed crab. Hey, not that bad. Not that bad, Maryland. Not that bad. Now we'll bust up, try this Louisiana crab. Boiled crab now, y'all. We're trying the boiled crab now. Golly.
It's just
you can taste the seasoning in this.
the
Y'all,
flavor's packing.
The flavor is packing, like Pat said. And what I find in the Maryland steamed crab is that the meat really don't have any seasoning in it. It has flavor, but not seasoning. The Louisiana boiled crab, look at that. It's just full of seasoning.
Because all the seasoning's on the outside of the shell, you know?
Look at that.
But they still got a good crab flavor, though.
Let me try that claw. Maryland claw. That's a Maryland claw right there. Let me try one of these Louisiana claws.
Them Louisiana claws is hitting.
All right, now I'm trying the Louisiana claw.
Let me try a Maryland claw. Let's see.
Oh, man. I mean,
Maryland meat right there, y'all.
I mean, you can really taste the seasoning in the Louisiana crab, boiled crab. But like you were saying, the seasoning is actually boiled into the meat.
Yeah.
Where in the Maryland steamed crab, it's pretty much just on the outside of the shell.
Yeah, it got a good crab flavor, but it just don't got the seasoning flavor, you know?
And then look at my hands for messing with the Maryland crab. I got stuff all over my hands.
Yeah.
Eat a Louisiana crab, you don't get that all over your hands. Hey, my vote, the Louisiana boiled crabs are the best.
All day long.
Hammers the Maryland crabs. Thank y'all.